Unleash your adventurous spirit and embark on a journey to discover the breathtaking beauty of Lake Valley in Lin Mahang. Don't let the opportunity slip by to explore the wonders that surround it. How to get in here? Take Shing Sui MTR exit A3, then hop into 59K minibus and ask the driver to drop you at Lake Valley. Travel time is about 20 minutes and you will get off right in front of the gate. The camp is mainly divided into 3 camping areas, 1. The outdoor camping area, 2. The extra large sailing tent area, 3. And the luxury cabin tent area, allowing campers to have a different life experience and enjoy fun. The camp area is equipped with independent toilets, instant hot water showers, shared refrigerators, and kitchen zinc plates. It is suitable for families, close friends, and couples. Furry children are also welcome to stay together. Let's enjoy our best camping experience only here at Lake Valley, Hong Kong.
Hello mga beshi! Ayan ang mga kasama ko. Oh.
Tinikman!
Tapos kasurina mo pinapatikman.
Pinatikman niya sa akin, oh, pork tofu. Pork tofu talaga yan, oh. Pork tofu nga.
Tamuan niya, para niya siyang nag-puzzle niya doon sa mushroom. Talagang hinanapan niya yung mga sizes na yun. Pinagdugtong-dugtong niya yung mushroom.
Ilang slice na ilang pieces ng mushroom.
Bago yung kinain, hindi nang lamig na sa akin.
Hindi niya namin malaman ni yung mga kasama niya kung paano namin pinaliliwanag na tinikman nila yung mushroom kinain nila. Ay, Diyos ko.
Sa pinagtripan ba naman, hindi na lang kinaukaw yung sabaw. Ang kinain talaga yung laman. Sa dami-dami ng laman, yung mushroom pa. Minsan talaga, alam mo yung minsan talaga yung pagsubok, ano?
Mahirap tumayo dahil sa kayo na.
Di ba sabi ko sa inyo?
Kasi nakakapagsitahin ka eh.
Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, buti hindi ako sinita ng amo ko. Yung may nandyan yung sister niya, tsaka yung